Today, I'm going to show you 3 lightning-fast keyboard shortcuts that can make any window go full screen on your laptop instantly without touching your mouse. Let's jump straight into it. The first shortcut is for full screen in any web browser. If you are using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Brave browser, just press this one key, F11. That's it. F11 instantly switches your browser into full screen mode. Press F11 again to come back. Super simple. Our second shortcut is for full screen in games and video apps. Some apps don't use F11. For things like games, video players, and even command prompts, use this shortcut. Alt plus Enter. Hold Alt and tap Enter. This forces the app to jump into full screen instantly. Tap Alt plus Enter again to exit. For our third and final shortcut, it maximizes any window, almost to full screen. Now, if the app doesn't support true full screen, you can still make it fill your entire desktop with this shortcut. Press Windows key plus up arrow key. This maximizes the window and makes it take up the whole screen. It is not full screen, but it's the closest thing, and it works on every app. If this helped you out, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.